Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of an Oliver number 173 Jig Saw. If you have questions about pricing or availability, please go to 360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often, as we do not list machines until they have been thoroughly cleaned and checked. This is an Oliver 173 Jig Saw. Very, very original, fully functional. You do have a 34-inch square table. Really nice and dead flat. I'd say the table is in very good condition when you look at the top. It does tilt as well. On the lower side there, you're going to see that it does have a working foot brake. And this foot pedal will hit a momentary switch, turn it off, and it will also engage that foot brake, which is on the lower side right here. We do have the cover. Original push button start stop station. Original starter, it does function as it should. 1.5 horsepower, 220 volt, 3-phase motor. And of course, what everybody wants to see, we're gonna simply come in here, release this foot pedal. And when you engage this foot pedal, again, I will turn it on one more time. It stops immediately. Again, there's just a small momentary switch back up behind here. This lower cover right here. It's driven by the rod. The rod simply comes through, hits that momentary switch, which ironically is basically a duplicate of this push button stop station, except for it just has a momentary stop that it basically holds in. And then when you release it, it turns it back on. Really simple mechanism. We did not find any welds or brazing on this machine. Your top handle is to release the tension on the blade. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.